Mary Falconer was married to a truly evil man who beat her, threatened her, who had interfered sexually with their daughters, been charged, and who had taunted her that neither she nor their daughters would be believed in court. He reached out to grab her by the hair, and the next conscious memory she had was standing over his body with a shotgun. She was charged with murder. She raised the defence of non-insane automatism, that is, that while she had not been insane in the legal sense, she had still not been in control of her actions. She called 2 expert witnesses, and the High Court considered whether that expert evidence was admissible. The starting presumption is that people are in control of their actions. Justices Mason, Brennan and McHugh said, in the absence of some contrary evidence, it is presumed that an act done by a person who is apparently conscious is willed or done voluntarily. That presumption accords with common experience. Because we assume that a person who is apparently conscious has the ability to control his actions, we draw an inference that the act is done by choice. Generally speaking, grounds for refusing to draw the inference appear only when there are grounds for believing that the actor is unable to control his actions. So, was Falconer capable of controlling her actions? It's not, for instance, as though she was concussed or sleepwalking. The court accepted that it was possible for psychological trauma to cause someone to act with non-insane automatism. Those same judges said, in a given case, if the psychological trauma causes a sound mind, possessed of the requisite standard of strength, to malfunction only transiently, malfunction which is transient and not prone to recur, and to which the mind of an ordinary person would be subject if exposed to the same psychological trauma, is neither a mental disease nor a natural mental infirmity. It is neither an instance of unsoundness of the mind nor an instance of insanity at common law. The court found that the evidence of the experts could be received. The Crown then withdrew the murder charge, and Falconer pleaded guilty to manslaughter, so the question of automatism was never finally determined. From this case, we learn that psychological trauma can result in a person acting automatically in a way that would not give rise to criminal liability.